Hey guys, welcome back to the Almost Vegan Mommy. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do the Flawless in 5 collection by BeautyCounter. So before we get started, I just wanted to show you what my face looks like fully done in the Flawless in 5 BeautyCounter look. In a few seconds, I'm going to go back to the before I've done any of this, and you're going to see such a drastic difference in my skin and my face. And this look literally takes me 5 minutes every day. Got the messy bun, ready to go. All right, so to get started, we are going to use our Touch Up Concealer Pen. So it has really great creamy coverage. You activate it by pushing that. I always do mine twice. This is only good for touch-ups, not if you want to cover a great surface. But you'll see it's starting to come out there on the tip. And you're just going to do downward motions. Actually, I forgot, I'm only gonna do this half of my face so you can see the difference. Have a nice clean face, a little red. I do deal with some redness. I highly recommend their charcoal line to help with redness. I've yet to get mine, but I really wanna get it. You're gonna blend it in with your ring finger. You can do a sponge, but I've found that it gets the best coverage when you just do it with your ring finger. So you can already see the difference right there. I mean, such a big difference. Alrighty, now we're gonna go over to our Tint Skin Hydrating Foundation. I love this stuff. It's a pretty big bottle. I've already had mine for 2 months and it's still really, really full. This is, I believe it's $35. This is in linen, but it works really well, really good, natural looking coverage. It doesn't look cakey, and I barely have to use any. And actually I used a little too much because I keep forgetting I'm only doing half my face. That's how much I use for my whole face. But I'm using a little extra now, since this is supposed to only be half my face. It's so weird, I've never done like half a face of makeup before. I'm not a makeup expert, so if y'all notice that I'm doing something wrong, whatever. Just really blend that in. I want to know how long Transformers is going to keep my son entertained. I'm going to get some decent light so it's even. So you can already start to see the difference. You can see a lot of redness right here. Kind of looks uneven. And then you go onto this side, it's already looking super even, a lot better. Now this is just the Flawless in 5 collection. It's not the full makeup routine I do. But I do this makeup routine whenever I have to get out of the house really fast and I want to look decent. Next, we're going to go into our Powder Blush Duo. I love these by BeautyCounter. They last forever. I have this in the Tulip and Bloom color. Mine's a little used, but you can see like you have the powder down here, blush down here. I'm using an e.l.f. brush. And I'm just going to combine it and put it on the apple of my cheek. Add a little color. I honestly like a lot of powder and blush, so take some of that off. All right, next we're gonna go into our brow pencil, Color Define Brow Pencil. This is in medium by BeautyCounter. Once again, lasts forever. You can see I've already been kind of sharpening it down. It comes with the brush on the end. I'm gonna start by brushing up my eyebrow first. And then really you're just gonna fill in the gaps where you see needed. I'm gonna use the mirror behind me just to help me out instead of looking into my iPhone. This is my favorite thing to do, especially since my eyebrows have been thinning a little bit now that I'm in my 30s. So just adding a little shape and brush them up again. Look in the mirror, see if I'm missing place. All right, so you can see the difference right there. You can see where this side's like a little patchy and that side just looks more filled in. So we are almost done now. So this is what it looks like so far. You can really see the difference, coverage. Just looks a lot more even on this side. And this is without me using my regular powder. I do a translucent mattifying powder by BeautyCounter. This is like without that. So my face looks even better. All right, now we're gonna go into our lengthening mascara by BeautyCounter. Love this. It's the only mascara I've ever used in my whole life that does not clump no matter how much I put on. So I'm gonna start by extending out the tips of my eyelashes. I will say the only con about this, and in one of my other videos I compared this mascara to CoverGirl mascara, is you definitely have to apply more than you would for like a drugstore mascara. So this is definitely more of a natural looking mascara, nothing super cakey. My dryer just shut off, so I have a feeling my 3-year-old's gonna discover I'm in the kitchen. You can really see from this angle too, the difference in my cheeks. Usually I put on some eyeshadow and everything, but I'm purely doing the Flawless in 5 look today, just for the benefit of the video. All right, and we are done. That is the Flawless in 5 look. You can see the difference. There's that side, Flawless in 5, bare skin, Flawless in 5, bare skin. Here comes my 3-year-old, be ready. And to top it off, I highly recommend our lip gloss. This is Bare Shimmer. I love the look of it. It just makes me feel a little more put together. No touch, buddy.
Mommy.
Yeah?
Mommy.
Uh-huh.
Mommy.
Yes.
Mommy.
Yeah.
Mommy looking.
Mm-hmm. So really good coverage. But yeah, guys, no touch, baby. Don't want it to fall. Alrighty, that's the Flawless in 5 look. You can always go to beautycounter.com/Leah Valdez to get any one of these products. And we will see you later. Bye.
Bye.